Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you Samsung keyboard not working. Don't worry, you can simply reset these settings to fix it. So let's jump right in. First, take your phone, open the settings page. Once you are in the settings, scroll all the way to the very bottom, go to General Management. After that, tap on Samsung keyboard settings option. Once you are in the Samsung keyboard settings page, scroll down through the page. This time you can find the reset to default settings option. Simply tap on it. Then at the very top you can see reset keyboard settings option. Click on it, then confirm it. After it done, you can check it work or not. Keep in mind, if your problem is still, don't worry, you can follow the next method. To do that, go back to the main settings page, then open apps. After the apps is open, use the search bar, simply search for Samsung keyboard. After you found the Samsung keyboard, tap on it to open them. Scroll down to the page, go to storage. At the bottom menu bar, you can see two buttons, clear cache, clear data. Tap on the both button one by one. After it done, go back to the main settings page, then use the search bar. And you can check your Samsung keyboard this time work properly. However, if your problem also is still, don't worry, maybe updated related issue. To do that, go back main settings again, then scroll all the way to the very bottom, open software update page, then tap on check for update or download and install depending on your Samsung phone model or Android version, and wait to checking the process. If you can see any update appear there, simply follow the on-screen instruction and update your phone. However, if your phone is already updated, you cannot be update there, but my phone is update available. Simply tap on download and wait to complete the process. That's it guys, you are done. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.